Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English summary, Book 1, Lecture 3, Part A. If I say to you, Harf Jar, you reply to me, Ism Majroor. Harf Jar, Ism Majroor. Harf Jar, Ism Majroor. Whenever there is preposition, Harf Jar, the noun after it will be Ism Majroor. It will be Majroor. If there is preposition, harf jar, then the noun must follow. They come together. Fi al-bayti, jarun wa majrurun. It is a short form of saying preposition, harf jar plus ism majroor. Soon we will explore different kinds of predicate, khabar, but one by one. In the first 3 lessons, khabar came to us as one word. Al-qalamu jadidun, the pen is new. Jadidun is the khabar. The book is new. Al-kitabu jadidun. Jadidun is the khabar. The book is old. Al-kitabu qadimun. Qadimun is khabar. One word. So jadidun and qadimun are khabar which are one word. Al-qamaru baydun. Al-baytu qareebun. Al-masjidu muftahun. Al-mudarrisu jadidun. So the baydun, qareebun, maftuhun, jadidun, they are all with tanween, marfu and indefinite, and they are one word khabar. In lesson 4 we came with the new thing, ar-rujulu fil bayti, ar-rujulu fil masjidi. Now fil masjidi is coming as a khabar, and we call it jarun, majrurun, shubbu jumla, khabar. We should remember the pronouns zamair. Zamair is the plural of zamir. Must memorize it. I will suggest that you go back to the lesson and repeat the poem which is written by Dr. Asif Meher. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, anna, nahnu. Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru fis-samai. The sun and the moon are in the sky. Waw is harf. We call it harf conjunction in English. It connects 2 nouns, ash-shamsu wal-qamaru. Both are mubtada. But to al-qamaru will not say mubtada. We will say maftoon ala shamsi, means connected to sun. Fi samai is jarun wa majrurun, shubu jumla khabar. Shubu jumla khabar is a phrase, not a sentence. Arabic noun in its natural form is always marfu. On this side are masculine proper noun, and on this side it is feminine proper noun. For proper noun in Arabic we call it ismu alam. Muhammadun, Khalidun, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sayyidun, Aliyun, Basun. Aminato, Zainabo, Fatmato, Maryamo, Aishato, Khatijato, Safiyato, Ruqayyato. So you will see on all the masculine proper nouns there is tanween, and on the feminine proper noun it is only single dhamma. So masculine noun has tanween and the feminine noun has a single dhamma. Feminine noun do not decline normally. That is, they will not decline dhan, dhun, dhin. We say Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin, Khalidun, Khalidan, Khalidin, Hamidun, Hamidan, Hamidin. What about Amanatu? It will be Amanata and then again Amanata. It do not take kasra, even if it is majroor. It will not take kasra, instead it takes fatha. If the noun declines completely in three cases, marfu, mansoob, majroor, properly, with dhun, dhan, then, we call it triptot. Masculine noun decline normally. They will be marfu, dhun, mansoob, dhan, majroor, then. The noun declines but do not decline fully. We call it diptot. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin, complete declension. Fine? With proper dhamma, fatha and kasra. We call it diptot. Come to Aminatu, it is Aminata and again Aminata. It did not decline fully. It declined a bit and then stopped. We call it diptot. These are the terms which the Oriental Western scholars of Arabic has given from English language point of view. If the noun is diptot, it means it declines fully. Kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, dhun, dhan, then. But when it comes to Zainabu, it is Zainaba and again Zainaba. It did not decline fully because noun is diptot. If the noun is diptot, it means it did not decline fully. It goes to dhan, then dhan, and then stays at dhan. But we will still call it majroor. Iqra waktub, read and write with the correct ending. Remember, the masculine proper nouns end in tanween and the feminine nouns end in a single dhamma. Hamidun, Zainabu, Aminatu, Ammarun, Sayyidun, Fatimatu, Maryamu, Aliyun, Khalidun, Abbasun, Aishatu, Muhammadun, Safiyatun, Khatijatun. And over here are the answers. You can repeat yourself as well. There are some feminine names that do not have ta marbuta, like Zainabu and Maryamu. But most of the time they will end with ta marbuta, the feminine names. We will learn later some feminine names that ends with alif maksura, but later. Al-baytu min al-bayti. After min, the dhamma on ta has gone down to ti. Kasra on te. Al-masjidu ila al-masjidi. Same condition, but now over here you see we are going to learn two more prepositions. Man and ila. They are harfu jar. Min means from and ila means to. Al-baytu min al-bayti. Preposition has pulled down to ti. Min al-bayti. Min is preposition, harfu jar. We repeat, harfu jar, ism majroor. Whenever there is harfu jar, it will be followed by ism majroor. Min al-bayti, from the house. It is not a sentence, it is a phrase. It is called shubu jumla, means something similar or looks like. And jumlata means sentence. So it is similar to sentence, but it is not a sentence, it is a phrase. Min is preposition followed by al-bayti, it is ism majroor. Together they are called jarun wa majrurun. And so min al-bayti is jarun wa majrurun shubbu jumla. Ila al-masjidi, to the masjid. Ila is preposition, jar, followed by al-masjidi, is majroor. Together they are called jarun wa majrurun. Ila al-masjidi is jarun wa majrurun shubbu jumla. Al-mudarris is the one who is speaking. Min aina anta? The teacher is asking, where are you from? Remember the difference between the interrogative questioning word man and the preposition min. Although there is a clear difference. This man has a fatha on mim and the preposition has a kasra on mim. When you see aina followed by min, even if it has no vowel sign, no kasra on mim, it is preposition min. Min aina, this is preposition. You will translate from where. Now, this is a question, so we do not analyze. Muhammadan, now he is giving the answer. Ana minal yabani. Remove min, it will become al-yabani, you. This min has made it majroor with kasra on noon. When you will remove this, then it will be a dhamma, which is the original form. Ana is mubtada, it is marfu, and it is a pronoun. Zamirun munfasilun. Remember, we have to remember the zamirun munfasilun, which are 14. Most of the time, zamirun munfasilun, the detached pronouns will come in the beginning of the sentence. And when they come as mubtada, they are marfu. Min is the preposition, harfu jar, followed by al-yabani, ism majroor. Together they are jarun wa majroorun. Min al-yabani is jarun wa majroorun, shubh jumla khabar. So far, we have learned that predicate khabar can be one word, and it is marfu. Ana mudarrisun, I am a teacher. Ana is mubtada, and mudarrisun is khabar, one word. Huwa talibun, he is a student. Huwa is mubtada, and talibun is khabar, one word. Anta talibun, you are student. Anta is mubtada, and talibun is khabar, one word. Anta minal Hindi, you are from India. Anta is mubtada, and minal Hindi is jarun majrurun shubhu jumla khabar. We will learn more shubhu jumlas, but right now we concentrate on jar majroor. Now we are making it further simplified. Instead of jarun or majrurun, we now say jar majroor. Hiya minal yabani, she is from Japan. Hiya is mubtada. Minal yabani is jar majroor shubhu jumla khabar. Anta minal Pakistani, you are from Pakistan. Anta is mubtada. Minal Pakistani is jar majroor shubhu jumla khabar. Now I am not writing it, and you will say it still. Min aina anta, the teacher, where are you from? We do not analyze questions. Muhammadun, he is replying, ana minal yabani. Muhammad says, I am from Japan. Ana is mubtada. Minal yabani is jar majroor shubhu jumla khabar. Al mudarris wa min aina ammarun, the teacher is asking, and where is Ammar from? Muhammad is replying, huwa minas Sini, he is from China. Huwa is mubtada. Minas Sini, because this is harfu shams. Minas Sini is jar majroor shubh jumla khabar. Al mudarris wa min aina Hamidun, and where is Hamid from? Huwa min al Hindi, he is from India. Huwa is mubtada. Min al Hindi is jar majroor shubh jumla khabar. Al mudarris, he is asking, aina basun, where is Abbas? Muhammadun is replying, kharaja. Muhammad says he left. Kharaja is a verb. So this is the first time that the verb has come. So inshallah, we will look into it. Let us first repeat zamirun munfasil. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti antuma antunna, ana nahanu. Huwa huma hum, hiya huma hunna, anta antuma antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nanu. Kharaja, he left. The Arabic of he is huwa. This is zamir. Kharaja, this is a verb. What is a verb? Action. Action cannot take place without somebody doing it. Fi'lun is verb. Fa'ilun is subject of the verb fi'lun. If there is a fail, there has to be a fa'il of the verb, of the fail. They have a special relationship. The fail cannot exist without the fa'il, subject. They both are always together. Kharaja, he left. The Arabic of he is huwa, but we do not see huwa. It is hidden inside the fail. It is the word. When I say where is the fa'il, it is mustatirun, means hidden. Where it is hidden? Inside the fail. Word. In what form fa'il is mustatir, hidden? It is zamir, pronoun. And the pronoun is huwa. If I say where is the fa'il, subject, it is mustatir. It means that the fa'il is in the form of zamir, pronoun, and it is hidden in the verb. Look at kharaja. It is 3 letters. Kha-ra-ja. 99.5% of the fail are 3 letters and 0.5% are 4 letters. Like tarjama, to translate, waswasa, whispered, zalzala, shaken. These are the words from the Quran. Any fail in Arabic language, you can trace it back to its root of 3 letters. Arabic scholars has given a pattern, fa'ala. This has come from fa'ala. That is, you can say fail also. The first radical is called fa, the second radical is called ain, and the third radical is called lam. Kharaja, kha is fa kalima, ra is ain kalima, and ja is lam kalima. Any word in Arabic language follow this pattern. Arabic verbs are beautiful, fascinating, enjoyable, and they are vast, huge. Kharaja, kha is fa kalima, and see, it has got fatah. Ra is ain kalima, it is second radical, and it also has a fatah. And ja is lam kalima, third radical, and it also has a fatah. So all the 3 letters have fatah on it. Zahaba, za is fa kalima, the first radical having fatah. Ha is ain kalima, second radical has fatah. And ba is lam kalima, third radical, and it also has a fatah. Further, we are going to study in the next lesson, inshallah. Today's summary is now, alhamdulillah, finished.